divide 833 by 7 in long division method. 7 times 1 is 7. On subtracting, we get 1. So now, this 1 is less than 7. So we put down this 3 and it is 13. 7 times 1 is 7. On subtracting, we get 6. So again, this 6 is less than 7. So we put down this 3 and it is 63. 7 times 9 is 63. On subtracting, we get 0. So 833 divided by 7 is 190. So this much for today and thanks for watching.